Hey everyone, it's Tim from Your Six Studios. Today in this video, I'm going to show you how to not show your Discord activity when you're in games playing or something like that. So you can do this on your server, or you can do it on just the account settings. So you have two different options if you want to do Discord Y or just a specific server. So let's go on down to user settings right here and select this. On the left side, let's scroll on down until we get to activity privacy. And here are the activity privacy settings. Share your detect activity with others, so we can uncheck mark this. Share your activity status by default when joining large servers, so we can disable that right here. Then we have allow friends to join your game, and we have allow voice chat participation. So just disable these two options on the top for Discord Y. Now, if we want to do this on a specific server, so let's go up to here and then click on the top left, and we should get privacy settings for a server. Then we have activity status right here. Just disable this, and then people shouldn't be able to see exactly what you're playing at all. So hopefully this quick little video did indeed help you out. Did leave it a big thumbs up and subscribe my channel down below for more checkout videos coming up next on Your Six Studios.